at the Gunsight Wash here in Arizona.
So, if you're new to the channel, I'm John. I'm 69 years old. I live out of my tiny little Jeep Cherokee XJ, just living the dream and exploring. Welcome aboard.
Yeah, so this is the Gunsight Wash here by Arizona. We're probably 27 miles away from the Mexican border down the road, and just above us is Ajo. So this is all free camping, BLM area. Pretty cool. All right, so I think we're gonna do a walkabout and walk down this wash. Let's see what we can find. Oh baby, walking down this wash. It's hot as hell. It's amazing. A couple weeks ago, or a week and a half ago, I was freezing my ass off. Got all kinds of rain, wind, 29-degree mornings, and now I'm bitching it's too hot. I'm taking it in though. I'm loving it. All right, so the sun went down. Had a beautiful day today. It was warm. I was in a t-shirt most of the day. It was awesome. So we cooked up some dinner, had a beautiful sunset here, and then we're gonna head to bed. Watch some YouTube, and I guess I'll see everybody tomorrow. Morning, everybody. What an awesome morning we have today. Man, but you know what today is? It's moving day. It's kind of boring here. There's not much going on. So we're heading out. We're going to head up to Tucson. But I'm going to have my cup of coffee. Ah, yeah. Gotta have my coffee, man. So we're going to head up to Tucson. Going to do some shopping, doing no laundry. I got to do laundry really bad. And then we're going to head up, I'm not sure, maybe Ironwood National Monument, somewhere around there. We'll decide when I get over that area. So let's get packing up. So yesterday I drove into Tucson. I found this awesome Asian supermarket. I buy all kinds of crazy stuff for cooking. It was awesome. And I found this really funky beer. It's a stout beer. It says Dragon Stout. I don't know. So we're gonna give that a shot. So now we're just gonna relax here and let's take in this scenery. I just made myself some coffee. I'm gonna enjoy that. Man, I am getting hungry here. I think we gotta make some dinner here. So I got some mahi-mahi, which I think I'm gonna make into a stir fry. I'm gonna chop that up. I got some leftover rice we're gonna throw in there. And I'm gonna just boil up some broccoli and put in there. Let's see how it all comes out. And then we're gonna try this funky beer I got. And I'm hoping it's gonna be good. All right, so we're gonna put some salt, some pepper, garlic powder. And now we're going to do some oyster sauce. A little bit of that stuff in there. Oh yeah. Fish sauce. Little soy sauce. And some dark soy sauce. Whoop. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna swish that up. All right, Ooh, baby. Oh, that's so good. Oh, that came out really good. That sauce and the fish all together. Awesome. Nice. So I picked up this beer. It's a Dragon Stout. Fire. I don't know. Anything that says fire and stout, man, I don't know. It's 10% alcohol. And it's in a smaller bottle. I don't know. It's different. What can I say? Let's give it a shot. Oh yeah, so also this stuff is it's made in Jamaica. So, give it a shot, man. Yeah, it's dark though. That's a good sign. Strobia, let's hope. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. Tastes like shit. Stuff's horrible. All right, what are you gonna do? All right, so I got a beer. Oh, this is horrible, man. It's got a weird chemical taste to it. Well, anyway, it's the end of the video. I guess I'm gonna have to have my my rest of my dinner with a Voodoo Ranger. So don't forget, never stop listening to rock and roll, never stop exploring, and we'll catch you hopefully on the trout streams soon.